This is the latest of the whole 911 range. I explained that Porsche have now said they built more than 1 million 911s of all types since the car was launched 40 odd years ago. This is the very latest model, and again, because I have to get it right, I'm right on my note. This is the rear-wheel drive one. If I came to you with a load of money, could I walk into your showroom and get one quite soon, or is there a big waiting list for these?
New 911 for the end of the year, but
You'd like it that way. You like it that way. Just have a little bit of a waiting list. Make people foam at the mouth and wait for it.
creative.
Marvellous. That's a lovely phrase. Thank you for that. Now behind it is the Aston Martin that features in the Royal Air Force Benevolent Fund display. I hope I can just ask the gentleman on the other side. Okay. You have 30 seconds to give us the background to this car and what you're trying to do this weekend.
Okay, we are building 10 cars with the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows. Each car is paired with one of the team's jets and pilots. 9 of those cars are for sale at £275,000 each, but what's special about the 10th car is that you can win it. That's because we are donating that car entirely free of charge to the RAF Benevolent Fund, the RAF's leading charity. Tickets are £20 each, and somebody has to win this car.
You have a stand here to precisely help that.
Correct. The car that I'm sitting in is a left-hand drive vinyl wrap version. It's a representation of the finished product. So this isn't the finished car. All 10 cars are sitting at the Aston Martin factory, and they will be unveiled at the team's home base of RAF Scampton on the 24th of October.
Don't waste 20 quid on the lottery this week. Don't spend it with these guys on their stand. You never know, you might win an Aston Martin like this. Thanks very much for that. What's the price here? What's the price here about the Aston Martin? Is it on the side? A display purchase is over. So it's display. Now, why do you think that would be Very well, okay. I'll have a word with the man with the grey car here. He's going to tell me all about the car. Oh, he's got a... hang on a minute. This is for sale. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. And tell me all about the car, sir. The 1, 2, 6, 7, 2, 8. What sort of... We don't put money on it here, but what sort of money do it make? About £60,000. Oh, well, you're looking at the house, sort of going to the back. You don't get a body shower in there, this is what you get. On the public road very often. On the police station, we don't know enough around. You do this. Lovely. Tell me what you think. It's a bear, is it? Well, it's more than one bear, I think. This is a nice standard motor car, but it's lovely. You obviously like it. Yes, I do. Wouldn't end my juice. I had one of those 50 years ago, so I thought I'd definitely do it again. You must admit that these are not the quickest cars in the world, but they were the prettiest in the world in the car, weren't they? Thank you very much. Off we go to the start. So Southampton. So another about 60s stag or sport car. Hello, madam. Hello. Who's your friend in the back seat? Bruce. Bruce. Okay, hello Bruce. That's the O'Hare Dogs to Death people were celebrating. And tell me a little bit about the car. Does it have a signature engine? Well, you enjoy the hill, and is it a bear or a dog? It's a dog, is it? Hello, Mr. Dog. Off we go. The fastest dog in the world, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. I want you to do the talking now. I want you to embarrass yourself. I'm going to talk to the dog, and then I think the dog will have to speak to him if he can. Are you going to be able to take off the muscle?
well just on the road. Yeah, yeah. And then basically you see the nice board to you see the course of that So I think you've been right on well. Yeah, but you're enjoying it, Thank you very much. Just a very quick question after we've won the event. One of the races or one of the races we're going to see eight and then somebody around the top. So it's the 1920 racer and it was installed by my late father when he was about 20 years old, a long time ago. And then he got on and I managed to buy it back after him afterwards. Well, can you remind me by email? I've got some cards to make them for you. Okay, so we're going to change the boat then, make the boat similar. Okay, thank you so much for coming. Bye-bye.
Quick question for the owner of the Rolls Royce, which is back in this morning you ran with the hood up.
Yeah, there was probably grey there, trying to get it between the race cars today.
Only quick question answer. My understanding is that this car is original and never restored, am I right?
All right.
Marvellous. So this car is looking as good as it did when it was built, and it's had no remedial work done on it. I think that's wonderful. Typical Rolls Royce, of course.
Very smooth then. Never took it. And then we've got the Elvis with the. Did everybody see the spaghetti exhaust coming out of the side there? Do you think that helps your propulsion, sir?
Well, I do hope so. Sounds like it does.
Certainly, yes, I do. We've got 4 people.